I ran as fast as I could. They are right behind me. They have torches and knives. We must defend the village. Hurry, please hurry. A giant python has attacked my bull. It needs help now. Officer, please. A giant python is attacking my bull. You must come right now. Please help me before it's too late. Sir, police help. Come quickly to the fields. We should get back before it gets too dark.
Agreed. Let's finish this up.
The bull is weakening. The python's grip is tightening. Time is running out.
Hit the ground! Pull the tail! Keep going, don't let it tighten! It's loosening! Keep hitting the ground, don't stop!
Those waves! What is that? Stay back! It's sending out signals!
Run! Run! The snakes are coming! Move now! This is urgent! We need immediate backup! Multiple giant snakes approaching the field! Everyone outside! Take weapons and go pay! Hurry! Go! Faster! Stay alert, alert! Keep your weapons ready! The police are arriving! Keep circling! Watch the snake from all sides! Get ready! Aim at the big one! It's coming right at us! Keep firing! They're getting closer! Reload if you must! One more! Don't let them reach the jeep! Keep firing! They're getting closer! Reload if you must! One more! Don't let them reach the jeep! Keep firing! They're getting closer! Reload if you must, Buttwain! Don't let them reach the jeep! Loaded! Firing now! Keep the field clear! Targets below!
Direct hit. One snake down park. It's not moving anymore.
All clear. The remaining snakes have retreated. Operation is complete.
Good work, everyone.
The operation is over. Everyone is safe. The villagers are celebrating now.
They're heroes! Look at the celebration! The whole village has come alive! He's alive. Let's take him home. We did it.
After all the chaos, peace returns, and the village breathes again.